Oh man, so I've just seen something in the Phantom charts which suggests we could have a bit of downside risk, which I need to be upfront with you and honest about and bring to your attention. I'm Ijazawan. You guys know I'm committed to bringing you a blend of technical and fundamental analysis to help you navigate your crypto journey to building wealth. So in this video, guys, we can look at Phantom, which we've been covering a lot on this channel. We're one of the channels which have covered Phantom for a very, very long time. You guys know that we've been monitoring the charts for a very long time from very low price patterns and have monitored it all the way up until now. We've done various videos in terms of fundamental analysis. If you haven't checked those out, please do go check those out because we really do go in deep to building our conviction on some of these plays. And I can't stress that enough, guys. When we're trading, yes, you'll see me doing technicals. Yes, you'll see me forming M patterns, cup and handle patterns, triangles, ascending triangles, symmetrical triangles. Fine, right? But the fundamentals are really important. And when you can get both of those in unison and get what's called confluence, that's when you build conviction, guys, and that's what will help you hold in flash crashes like the one we just saw recently, a couple of hours ago with Bitcoin, right? So you need to understand that we're getting a lot of new people into crypto every single day. The crypto community is growing. There's a lot of retail interest right now. And it's those people that I want to help bring on board. Okay, we want to bring those people on board. Those people, maybe, there's nothing wrong with it. Maybe you were introduced into Shiba Coin or Dogecoin or one of these other meme coins, but now you want to get into some great projects. Welcome to this community. Let's, first we need to understand that we need to learn about crypto. How does it work? What does it mean to understand the fundamentals of a project? How do we trade it? How do we manage risk? What does a crash look like? And what do we do? That's what you'll learn step by step with us on this channel. So if you like that, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's look at what Phantom is doing. Because let's go back a step. We're sitting here on the hourly chart, and as we can see, if I get my cursor out, we formed this M pattern. Remember, this was the bearish pattern which broke down below the neckline, and we didn't go all the way down to our bearish price target, which is great. We managed to build some support. We entered a downward channel here, and you can see from this downward channel, what we ended up doing was we broke to the upside, which is great. And then when in doing that, we created this ascending triangle, and we got our broke to the upside. We pretty much met our price target at the top of here, which is great. But then what happened next? That's what we want to get into. So let me move me out of the way. And this is where we need to really look at this. So you remember that what I said was we could be, when we got the breakout from the triangle, so this was the triangle, broke out fine. And then what I said was we could be coming back down to test the neckline. You can even see my drawing is still there, that arrow there. You can see that what I was saying was we could come back to test the neckline and then get a bounce. And that's perfectly fine and healthy. And that'll be really good because we can get a bounce and we can head straight back up to the green line up there, which is our $3.50 mark, which was our all-time highs. But what happened? As we came down to collect our bounce off the neckline, Bitcoin decided to have its little dump. Okay, so just when we were fighting to keep the neckline, to then build some bullish momentum to go higher, Bitcoin had its concerns around Evergrande and the rest of the FUD, and we had our crash down. Now, like I said, and again, my white line is still drawn here. This was my second scenario, right? Which again, you can go back and see the video. I said, if we don't hold the neckline, we will be coming to collect support at this level here, which is $2.30 mark, right? That's where our next level of major support was. And indeed, that's where the wicks ended, right? We got a wick across there. Where the dip was bought here by the phantom buyers, which is great, and we managed to recover here. Now we're in this upward channel. We need to build back above this neckline. But my concern is this neckline could act as a bit of resistance, okay? Because it was support, and now it could turn as resistance. So we need some strong volume in, push above that neckline, and then build back higher towards our $3.50 mark. Naturally, with these altcoins, a lot of it is going to depend on how Bitcoin's doing and what Bitcoin is doing. Right now, you've got a whole number of your favorite altcoins now, 8 to 10% down simply by virtue of Bitcoin being down. So it's a great opportunity to buy the dips if you have high conviction. And that's why I always say you need to maintain high conviction. If you're not maintaining high conviction, you're not going to be buying these coins, right? When they fall at 10% value, you're not thinking 10% discount. You're thinking, why did I buy that? Oh, I made such a mistake, right? You need to get to the point where it goes, bargain, I'm buying. You take your wallet out, you buy some more, off you go, right? That's what I need to get you guys to on your favorite coins. And that's why you do the research from a fundamental perspective to build that into your plays. Let's take a quick look at the daily because I always zoom out, guys. Whenever anybody gets any stress, I zoom out. And I remind ourselves of the journey we've been here with Phantom. So you can see here, let's just go back to 24th of July, guys. Not very long. We're in November. Just a few months ago, we were sitting here on Phantom at 15 cents. Okay, let's say you joined the channel and you saw us forming this rounded bottom and you saw me making a video here at 97 cents suggesting that we're going to break out all the way to $1.60. Okay, let's say you didn't even join there. Let's say you joined about here at, when it corrected back down into this triangle pattern and you bought in at $1.50. you would have got a breakout all the way to the top here at $2.30, and then obviously $3 at top. So Phantom's been on an absolute tear. It's one of the best moving layer 1 coins out there right now. You've seen my analysis. If you haven't, go watch that, guys. I think it's called The Most Important Phantom video. Type that into my channel. You'll see that I do a deep dive into the amount of DeFi there is on Phantom and how undervalued I think it is versus the likes of Ethereum. So go check that out, guys. It got a great response from the community here. So if you haven't watched that, do go check that out. And, let's bring out the EMA ribbon as well, because I think people need to understand what's going on here. Ignoring that Bitcoin crash there, which is in this red candle, we've not penetrated our EMA ribbon at all here, okay? It's been an absolute run, and this looks beautiful. As long as we get a nice green candle here, showing, and another green candle following tomorrow, this is beautiful because we're not even testing our EMA ribbon. Like I said, you can't flip bearish on Phantom until you get a daily close below this ribbon here. So you're talking about that point there at $2.16. At that point, then you're really getting cheaper Phantom and you're getting a technical bearish pattern, right? But until then, that's not what we have. So this is looking super strong from Phantom, and it can only move on from strength to strength. So there you have it, guys. There's your update on Phantom. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. As always, pin comment to the Discord will be the first pin comment below. Free public Discord server. Head over there, meet like-minded people, discuss your favorite coins, and I will see you in the next one.